Single Group 34, also in Mech 203, fall of 2025. In this video, we're gonna go over my design of my rover. And to start with our video, I wanted to talk about firstly my wheels, where my original design was the environment of Mars, where it has harsh environments such as dust, big rocks, very non-linear, not flat, potholes, mountainish. So what I designed in my wheels is to enlarge the teeth where it can produce a higher torque, which is able to tighten, it's able to move in harsh conditions and such as Mars. And here is a motion study where it demonstrates how our wheels are able to behave and how it's able to be stopped as well. The next component I wanted to talk about is my solar panel, where it's mounted to a hinge where it's able to rotate within about 180 degrees from left to right, and it gathers energy from the solar. It gathers solar energy from the sunlight and planet Mars, where it's able to rotate so you can get the maximum ideal angle to gather maximum solar energy wherever the sun is rotated or at its current position as well. And here's a demonstration of how our solar panel is able to rotate and how it behaves. Typically, our boat note is what locks our legs to our body with a tolerance clearance of 0.1 millimeter. And now I also wanted to talk about our interior designs inside our rover, where we have it in the behind is our generator, where it powers our Mars rover, where it gains energy either from the solar panel or its battery, where it has a bunch of coils wrapped around in an induced current where it travels, where it alternates the magnetic, where it's able to rotate the generator, producing power to our Mars rover. And here's a demonstration of how our battery behaves. As you can see, it's able to rotate and also stop as well. Now, the next main topic is I wanted to talk about our camera, and what I designed it was basically the camera handle extension is able to lift up the height of the camera, which is able to get a better view, and the camera is able to rotate 360, so it's able to see its surroundings and also assist with coordinating with the robotic arm to place any samples into the supplier storage as well, or data storage. And here's a demonstration of how our camera behaves, where it's able to increase its height and decrease whenever necessary, and able to rotate whenever desired to. Now, I wanted to talk about my robotic arm, where it's designed to rotate through about 360, where it's able to rotate up and down, left and right, and it has a claw where it's able to grip anything or grab anything and place it to the storage room or the data storage. And here's a demonstration. Where it's able to rotate and grab anything and place it into our storage room. And one of the smaller components I wanted to talk about is the motion LED sensor, where whenever it detects anything in motion, it sends an LED. It turns on where it detects anything unpredictable things such as dust or large objects flying in, so we could avoid it or to tell us what to do next. And another thing I wanted to talk about is our auto tuning temperature controller, where in Mars we don't know what condition is more ideal, so I added an auto tuning temperature controller where it's able to stabilize our Mars rover from overheating or anything like that. Other than that, this is my Mars rover of fall 2025. I'm looking forward to modifying it a little bit more during my free time. Thank you so much.